talk.
He say your husband say may go start a road work.
Yes, he thinks say I don't know what he thinks say they bring our quarrel.
How many children? How many children you get for him? How many children you get for your husband?
If they tell me like that, say he wants make I go do road work.
But how many children you get for your husband?
Hello, my people.
I get 2 children for him.
2 children. Now your husband say me.
Also, una dey fine. Una do well. So una tell the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, this video una go watch so because I no want take una time too much because the video long small. Now one lady wey cry come my way say husband say me go dey do ashi for road work. But if you listen to the video finish, you go come know say wetin dey go on because not just listen to that the first one make you just rest. May you see wetin really dey happen for inside life before your husband say make go start road work. Wetin make your husband talk that words come out. Una just watch the video to the end. May you now see wetin really happen because if you just only watch the starting, you fit dey insult the man. No, try to watch all the full video. May you see wetin happen between two of them because some family the way they take they do they destroy their children. They destroy their children marriage home. They no say that they destroy am. And the woman, if you not take time, now you enjoy all that time. Because this video now as I listen small, I no want take una time. I just bring am come on still listen. Una watch.
They talk.
He say your husband say may go start a road work.
Yes, he thinks say I don't know what he thinks say they bring our quarrel.
How many children? How many children you get for him? How many children you get for your husband?
If they tell me like that, say he wants make I go do road work.
But how many children you get for your husband?
I get 2 children for him.
2 children. Now your husband say may go back to road work.
Yes, I get 2 boys for him.
You are from where?
I'm from Isa.
Your husband is from where?
He's from Delta.
Delta, ma?
Yes.
He not love you. If he tell you say may go roads, he not love you. Or maybe get what you do. Where he go tell you say okay if not.
My husband really dey nice. He really dey nice. He do everything for me, but I don't know what always they bring this quarrel. I have tried all I could, avoiding everybody because of him, avoiding my family. But yes,
wait. Not be too often I said today before yesterday.
Yes.
But your husband tell me say now your mama. Your husband tell me say now your mama say me go road work. Now what did he tell me?
Big lie. I know say they watch you now. That's not big lie. He just wants a way to explain things to you.
Where you say your husband they call you every day 2 times say you don't want again.
Yes, that's not big lie. So I tell him say instead for him to tell me say make I go road work, instead for me to do that, I go stay there for here. They wait till when he calm down. I come, but if he still not calm down, I will still be here waiting.
How many times your husband don't tell you say may go road work?
I cannot count. I cannot count.
Even when you deal with her for inside bed, he still they tell you.
Yes.
No cry. My brother, you dey online because you dey follow me. How can you tell your husband your wife may go do a shower? Wife will born 2 children for you. Is there a place for you when you want to do the ashawo? You don't find the place for you.
You don't find anything for me.
Now, where you want to go do the ashawo? Tell me.
I did France.
I know where you want to do the ashawo. Now, France, you have been where?
I don't know, but I know it because I never do. As I call it the first person when I deal with. And I deal with her. I never reason somebody else. Even if they use me, they set me up for phone. And they see how they do it. I don't ask her many times. If you don't want me again, tell me. Because I never cheat on you.
which kind thing be this one? After 2 children,
The children dey with am.
no be now your husband sees your children now. Be not be you with her. Now I settled 2 of una yesterday now. You not sleep there
You
again.
did, but yesterday, yes, I didn't sleep. Yesterday, he tell me I go back.
Yes.
Tell me I go back because he asked me for money. I said I don't get money. He told me I come out. He pushed me outside.
Your husband asked you money, say me give her money.
Yes, he said me I borrow money. I said I no get.
How much he say me you borrow am?
He said me I give him 50 euros. I said I don't have.
True, you not get.
I no get because my sister, he don't ask me for money, and me I dey alone. I don't get food for us. I need to buy things. I explained to her, but he just vex.
How can your husband tell you say me go do a shower? May you wait. I get the number here. Wait. If na Benin person, I go say na so Benin may abuse here. My brother, if you are watching me, I never believe because your husband tell me say na your mama. Now he say me go do a shower.
It's a lie. He said my mother they call me too much. My mother they call me too much. Okay, because of that I stopped. I tell my mother, even they asked me this evening, tell me my mother they try my number. I said make she not try my number again because my number no fit go for her again.
Okay, now how many your husband number end? Now 06 Abi? Now it end.
End with 10. 510.
510. Make I find number.
I'm there for WhatsApp.
Oh, may you hold on. Oh, now wait. Hi, Jesus. My husband, a very responsible man. Brother, we pick a call. Hello, brother. He said, brother, what? Really, here. I told one ever so can wait because I was surprised him. Mujane, brother. What a man or yak bachago?
Because of the way
What can one more you know to man or yak bachago?
yes, more time.
Where was your brother?
Not here,
Eh.
Again, I'm like, more, but me say no. Only more, really, we are. Madame, no more. You know what? Madame, a day or as well. You know, I say, we are. You know, none more they do. Et bien, nous before when we document, if you never get document, you go the stop affair. The period with people, you know, really the rest.
Okay.
The same go marry you. Now, woman go to join them. You go to join people. Now, I say, yeah, now let you go carry cookie or you go to buy shower. Now you take get that kind of money go to give your people.
Okay.
Now tell her, God help the thing. He no one follow me. You want to tell him this where I just tell you follow me the plan. That will say he take get document for Italy. Everything they do okay for us. Now me follow this one plan, get document for Italy. I carry our contract for one, go commission for Italy. I carry our contract, contract of work for one. For a year, I do operation where they give me 10 years because after I like the story. If people want to know what I say they get document for a year, if people they be awesome, as people they awesome, if people will take the IFB. You know, they said the IFB. They don't let me the rest. They tell me they pack all the money where they give me, they pack all the money. What you let me collect this children for a hand? I need to go school. He don't finish school. my kids there money when they pay my kids, and then want to send go give the family.
Give the family. Okay, now make you collect the children from her.
Yes, because
Okay, now the way family they disturb her, now make you tell her say me go to Achawo so that I can make the pack money give the family.
Make go see money go give the family. Because in my mom they call her 5 times every day for my house. I go tell her, you know the year. After they talk, if I find my mom, they know they call me.
5 times in a day.
Me and the family, they don't. It's senior brother and daughter. They don't do everything by us to make sure they kill me. Now God just saved me. Because I'm not the fact. Now me make cannot do a shower. Now me make cannot do a shower. Now me cannot follow black boy. Now me cannot. But as it comes, it may me. People they laugh with me. I carry. I said that I go build up to my state. Now I say build up to my state. I build just up to my state. Even if I call them, go tell social. Even if I call them, go tell social. He don't call police for me 3 times for this one. The last time when police come, like I don't even get documents. You know the thing now, this paper where I get where I show police, the person might go sleep outside. This woman, if people will get, now small pikin, the people will get, ask her, make it call her, give me ask her and say, I don't ever follow apply any plan where you never succeed.
How old she be?
28 years.
And you come?
I be 34.
34. But if not, I'm settled with Varinedian, and I will not be a Kenuje.
Yes, because again now, not soon. Not very good girl, because I have a daughter in Nigeria, 15 years.
Okay.
If I not said the in Nigeria, the bring some money come for him, I pay for years. I can't pay the money. I'm not going to get too much money again. I can't pay. If I go pay for him now, money no they mind again. I can't say make a fair waste. Because him I go pay and say I don't pay, he say will give me for his time. I feel this one not give me in one way. Say go give me.
It can't be 50 euro.
No, you're not giving me money, not TikTok. When I want to say, why you not give me the money, say, I go pay, so why you not give me your own time? He said, me set up, I will give my daughter for Nigeria. He said, if you keep away there, me never take over, me go to take over the whole day for Nigeria. Now, then, for tell us, I'm not very close there, that was very. I go see my pikin where I go, I go take off. Who be the papa? You want me my pikin go do prostitution? You want my pikin go be papa dey alive? Make I not pay my pikin school fees. Make pikin not chop. Because if the woman, the one I take off for this one, I take off the whole day Nigeria, all of my children. The way I take off this one, I take off all of them.
Yes, all of them.
This woman, what did make me? This woman, the people they want to do with me. Now prove, let me tell you all. Now make her, you not carry me go court because I get proof of everything. Go court, I will defend us.
Okay. Okay, if you carry you go court, you go win now because you get proof.
Yes, if you carry me go court, he know say I get proof. If you carry me go court. Now make her, you know, carry me go court. If you carry me go court, we'll give the children to government or they give me the children. Me, I cannot leave my children for any woman to use my children's destiny to a family. Two of us to take off our children. If you not agree, government will take off the children.
Okay.
Then you go enter street, I go enter street. So, but what happened? After this girl come me, then 50 Europe, now I come to the class, and I take career. From there, I start to the airport, they come. Even the first one, the airport, if people come, because I never go defend them, at the airport, people come, they thank me. Mama, you need to get document for this country easy.
It's not easy, not easy. Ay,
10 years and US
na
passport.
na
10
in
years
family
and
wan
US
just
passport.
scatter this
10
marriage.
years and
God
US
no go
passport,
gree.
then they give this girl. If I talk to her, I mean like this girl story.
You.
Now me for our friends everything. Only that document I know what I do for this girl. This girl no dey give them to respect me.
Yes.
This guy too. I tell her. But if you tell her say it's not so good do if you don't got to start to talk now. The mama don't send her go this thing. Say call her they say in your younger sister don't go for one. They tell her go this country now as we talk now.
Mama don say na go Africa country.
May go pay Africa country. May go pay 3 million. My dad don't carry that one come out now.
May go do ashawo.
May go do ashawo.
3 million naira.
For Dubai.
For Dubai.
As they talk now, this my woman now, he carry that matter for head now. He carry that sister there for Dubai matter for head now. I never get document. When they pay me for when they pay me with the people there for me because they help people. And they help them, they for program, they help them. Make it come, make it out, make it talk. If I want some money for my if I want some money for my daughter, this one is not the thing. Because it's not a problem.
You.
But if I want some money give the people, it's not the problem. And they send money go they give the people, but it's not the problem. That's why the key where I born, you will say I want some money for her. If I told you, don't put money with this. But they will make me send money give my kid. I won't carry my daughter come here. I won't carry her come here.
Okay, you want carry her come France?
They keep the proof.
Okay.
Now make her see that the receipt what say money give my daughter. They say he know say that I keep tell them. So that in case I go for they will show things like picking. The property is take off until they send money for that. I think the social doctor to make it they say they pay me every month 160 for per one picking. Now they pay me.
You.
I think they now that they tell people for Europe, man, take off your children, man and woman are 50-50 for Europe law for concerning picking. I think they now, if you're ready to calm down, we will stay together. If you're not ready to calm down, everybody will go. But my children, I know will give them my children. If you let me grab the open, I know will give them. I know. I can take off picking very well. I don't go give them.
Okay now.
He said no stuff.
Okay now. My brother, we may settle wife and what you will request here zona. Malo ya ke we beti.
It's not way. But my picking, my old picking, he said me no pick money for my picking.
You know what we gbese zona we no dey na.
Wait, he said no pick money for my old picking. We don't for the house. And they tell us these children, now what picking I bought for them. These children this is brother so they don't have blood. If I take off this one or tomorrow, now this one can, if maybe I'm not here, this one can help his brother. It can help his brother. They can help each other. They are being the same from me. You are depreciating my children when I'm alive. Who are you to depreciate my children?
Okay, now, as the children there with you, now who they collect the children money? Now you.
Everything that me, if it does work now, he will call the pay me for 150 years, they pay me 150.
If she don't start work, she go come they pay you 150.
No, for 150 years, they pay me 150.
Two go be 300.
320.
320, she go they pay you.
Yes. The loan are 50-50. If there's no tell everything, you know. If you not pay, I can't go court will decide.
You know, carry and go, I beg.
Make I see where, if you never take off education, it's not where you won't take off your family or your sister for Nigeria. Both of us together, let's try together. As we go to work, I go to work. We take our children, you say no. You won't do it. Well, I'm not telling you conference here. You reach and you won't betray me.
You.
Now, look at this girl. When we continue to say they go back, to Italy. He say, what go do Soro? I tell her, patient. Now, patient. Now, we not spend, when we come here, we not spend these 2 years before they give us 10 years.
You. I beg. Na beg, I want to beg you. I beg. We're not supposed to understand each other. I beg. That road work, where you tell us to go to a shower.
If I don't watch you, this one will tell me, say, if you say, I'm not watching. Now you tell me, say, I'm not watching.
She gonna tell you, say, me, you know, they watch me.
Yes. How come?
You see her.
I tell her, you give us advice, not to make mistake.
You.
But I can't just come up for here now. He doesn't know me now because they watch me. As they watch me now because it's not true me say they watch me.
Hi.
Now what do you see for it? Now what do you see for Europe? Also my wife now 50-50. Now time we take from me, they not even start picking papa. They not even back picking. You go leave everything for your wife. Anything you see, you go bear it.
Okay.
The way woman take off picking, and so much take off picking. For Europe, yeah, now woman say they still work fast man. Go look at the so and I they work. But for here, our men, they don't want. They will say, no, your mama don't want me to talk to me at picking. Your mama don't talk to me at picking. If they didn't pick you feel back. You feel bear papa.
Now the children now where you collect from her, how old are they?
One day for 2 years, one day 3 years.
You want to take care of them?
Oh, you know what I can do. You know what I can do.
2 years old baby.
Before social, I fight with social. Before social, they know my capacities. They know what I will do.
Jesus Christ.
People when they talk, people who know me, if they hear about me, they will tell you.
The way you they talk, you tell nice.
And they cook. And I make they cook, I make they do everything for us. If I fight for video call, I go see my house. I don't clean everything. I don't wash. I don't clean everywhere. I don't cook jollof rice. I don't cook stew. I don't cook everything for his house.
2 years old picking. You want as a man, but you as you be so you know if you walk, you know if you walk again.
I feel work. Why not feel work? If I drop them for class, I'll drop them for class. I'll drop them for school. They are going. I they go school.
You can't go your school. Jesus.
I they go school. After for time, if I want, because I go Monday afternoon, I go send it to me look the children. This man go they complain. For you know children again. If I send you video with this man talking not to take off the key, it's supposed to be lesbian. You not go believe.
She said she's supposed to be a lesbian.
Yes, he said he's not supposed to be a mother. Every time you talk to her, I have the proof.
How can a woman go just talk say not supposed to be a mother?
He said not a woman's person. I get the proof, I get everything.
You see?
If I can't give judge only that for judge, make now see judge who judge won't give her the speaking.
So you get the proof. When she they talk and you record down.
Mama, I say all those are small proof. Our women we say there's a need for make money for us, make the call for make money for us. Okay. If I do, if women like this, they for like me for Europe, women all women for the sake of us. All women for the sake of us. If you don't want to stay with us, let them go do anything you want to do. If they pay me, make it go they work, they pay me.
Yeah, so now she what can they pay you? So after now, you go call the answer single father. Yeah, brother, where do I want a single father? Because he got paid. You want to go a single father.
I don't think the single father. I don't. It already makes
Okay,
me
you
father.
okay? You don't let him be single father. Okay with you. Eh?
Because the picking, if I leave the picking for me, I go the piano. I go the piano. It go there. I go the enjoy. So go the piano. Car go the piano picking money. Me go the piano that money joy. But only I go the, like my picking whenever it's 3 years and they go pay. They pay down every month separate. Then me go if I dey work now, still pay down and join now. You know how much you go dey collect every month. If you collect all that money, you don't go dey work. If people go dey enjoy for us, then me go dey for suffer. I go dey suffer. Now make I give my call from here.
Yo, I beg. We want settle two of na brother. What matter? Where you love her, yeah. I think we follow her where if there is a marriage. I have settled a lot of marriage in this program. Where you love her, yeah, matter.
The problem is that if I tell her, you know, ask her, only the question where me ask her if she know me, I don't ever come and apply anything when not work for her. If I tell her, say, that's how I want this person may be. That's how I want her. If you call the following day, do like that, move at the age, make yourself, I don't go like her. I don't go like her. I don't go like her at all. I don't be oppressor. Mama, you don't decide to make man. You know, I say, you work with them for house, now we dey do our house, cook you, everything. I know they say, at the point for the work, like, say me they find document for you, like, say me they find something for you.
Yo.
I need to go carry food, I need to go do everything.
Okay, now, may you listen. Okay, listen, I want to ask one question. Hold on. Hello, my baby.
Hello, ma.
Just listen. You still love your husband, yes or no?
If a woman to like man, no problem. Let me do so. So nobody go ask me whether I like him. Now they need to ask this time because I have tried. I think he don't judge now. If he judge like this for court, I think he go win. But in respect to protect my children, if he wants to take me to court, I will be ready because he got a proof, a lot of proof, but I got just one proof for him. But in the protection of my children, what I want, if he wants to eat money, any money he wants to eat, let him eat. Because I also like to work. I want money I work for.
Okay, now you want make a settle two of una? You want me to settle two of una now? Eh? May you go take care of your 2 years old baby.
You feel settle us, but you are not his family. I think I know in a family that they say family now they marry a woman. If his family don't recognize the woman they want to marry, how is it marriage? I have tried. I don't know how you feel to settle this issue, but I have tried.
Hello, brother. Were you in love her, yes or no?
Mama, you as I do so, me not there for, you don't say where I don't love.
Okay, you not love him again?
Waiting me careful. I don't get love for any woman. Waiting me careful. I care for, we'll get together, take off our children. As a husband and wife. If you say no, if you say no, they can go in and do my own. If you say he get proof, I can get proof, so we'll go court. The picky, I'm going to leave her for him. He's not going to leave her for me. Government will take over. Two of them will enter straight.
No, it's not going to happen like that.
You see,
It's better, me if you not so, may you take care of her. No. If government collect and those children go, they're not going to eat better food. They'll come to, no. I don't want to make kunaka. If you not so, thank God, say, where she did, not far from your place. You go come to see her children. They're there with their papa, now still the same family will not be. Or mama na guera or So mommy, okay? No, it's better than we have your government. We ma only what police ye case now. I don't want make police enter. If you don't want they together again, because now you don't clear and now say you don't love again, but you want make una take care of the children as husband and wife. My beautiful baby, you understand now? I mean, you don't want to like that. You want marry?
Me, I want to stay with a man, but he don't want to stay with me.
You.
He don't want me to stay with him.
Hello, brother. My best statement is not giving now. Only a total care when you only a marry. Ah, brother.
Mama, you again now, if I tell you like, me, I know if this is your condition. I be there and they come. This guy need deliverance. When you are to deliver, only the deliver. I need tell you so. I told myself, if one man will go for deliverance. We'll go for deliverance.
Or disrespect you, or yes or no? Or disrespect you,
or disrespect me, and I thought you would be the main issue.
Well, you disrespect you, I tell they disrespect you.
They disrespect me like say, Mutana mate.
You gotta talk to you like say una be mate.
Like say don't talk for the drug. If I talk to see what it, if I really speak for this woman say for 2 seconds, it's not go agree. No, go they call me.
Okay, if you leave the children for us, you know if you take care of the children where? Like the way you go take care of her.
If I talk clear, they just make it talk. If I talk clear, if I really speak for this woman, as a man, I'm not go outside and say, man, stay with my friends. But we need to discuss for 1 hour, 2 hours. This man don't call me. This man don't call me.
Oh, well, you go just cause me you come house.
If I not come, if I use force, if I not come, if I reach out, now they are not comfortable for me.
You not call the quarrel.
If I talk to this woman, this one go stay for Domot. He go stay for Domot. He go want make neighbor call police. If his neighbor not call police, he go call police.
I cannot force you, my brother. As you say, you not love him again. Wetin I go do? I want to make she start to do my prayer points. Let's see how things go work out. You know? But may police not enter this case. I beg you in the name of God. She know what to do as a mother. If she start to work, not collect money from her.
This matter, so police don't enter.
But now police not there again now. As soon as be, so police not there.
He can't carry my phone from my house here. Wait 2 days. He can't carry the phone. I tell him do the phone. Come. He not do the phone. Now something go police job. Go tell the police collect the phone for him and give me. Police, the court say may not they call this as again, but I also police of may not they call this as. I still live on. Make it the
police don't want to say may not they enter where children dey again.
Police say no theater this house. If you want to tell you, we'll go court. We go talk to here. We go to see children.
Jesus, she will be woman.
Not be by woman. Europe now 50-50. Woman will not be by woman, Mama Yori. If you know your right, not be by woman. Europe now 50-50.
Jesus.
Not woman not by Europe. For anything concerning the king now 50-50. At the city go what they do with me. I let you look there. They do with me. If the woman don't carry the ticket, the woman told the ticket for Bele for 9 months. If the woman say, okay, woman now will carry the ticket. It goes because I may not make Papa not see. Now, as you get that like to declare may not see the ticket, so you will see you will carry the civil government, make go with the government, make talk about this here, make it see how they give for body. Make it see the person where they give for body. If you can declare Papa may not see the ticket, then you go see declare they not to see the ticket. The government will carry on. Two of us will go street. Our two, you know, okay.
Here I mean.
Yes. Because my pikin make me dey suffer for my life. I'm not getting for the suffer for.
You just need the money.
What I want to tell you now, if she start to the work, not collect money from my brother. We are all one. As a mother, she know what she's supposed to dey buy, can they give her children. Say you want your fees and make she they pay you 300 euro. May you not do it. Yeah? I bet just because of the love you have for her. Remember the time when you take those time.
Oh, I'm always see. You dey see what I want to do for this country. Woman will get CDPK for people for 1 month. They hear me, my
I dey hear you, my brother.
Then,
the thing just weak me.
Then, okay,
I dey hear this thing before. This ain't a lie. I don't know say woman they pay man for Europe.
And to push the man for the work, the man for the cook before picking. Then they pay the man 1,000 naira. The man will pay for your house, will pay for before picking. How the man will take out to say? That time I never pursue.
Yes.
That time I never pursue.
Yes.
I was talking about every day. So there are men who they take up their picking the way their woman will take up their picking. When they take off the way they take up their picking. Because not people now only woman now their picking. For you, okay, if your wife not well now, who will take off the picking? Maybe you go take off your wife, take off your picking.
Yes.
So I mean, they don't know that one. They go say a woman.
Okay, now my brother, I want to ask you one question. Ogelera wori onu ami 300 euro temata. Oga sunwe na.
Oh. No, I mean, I don't collect. I don't take a table. I go walk.
Oga duk no ke.
I go walk. Me appreciate students for that balance. Yeah, by a class. Yeah, very soon. Or we run away like the other Johnny man.
Okay.
Why do
Yo.
I have a daughter. My daughter is 15 years. 15 years now again. Okay, imagine the same I will give my own daughter. Maybe I cannot train my pikin. Maybe my pikin. Okay. After, if I'm not train my pikin, I'll tomorrow my pikin come to the shower. They're not open. Now maybe useless of her. The people there at the back on. The people there at the take off. The people there they do everything for them. Only they say alone at the car they go to the car they do everywhere alone. I know they go for that one. Only my one said me down. You are telling me not to send money to my old daughter. Who is that person?
This matter, I don't even know I want to settle on because you say no love not there again, but and she said she still love you. She want to stay with you. Huh, brother? Why give any here? Huh? Okay, no.
The problem is that let me tell you the truth. If you come with me now, this children will collect her. You know, I will collect these children. It doesn't go report for social.
Okay, she don't to over report you to social.
Yes.
Now social can't separate you of una like this.
It doesn't report with this social. What is the social will not do before? Social will give us the children, then they'll call for the children for him because of the mistake where he made.
I don't know.
When he said to start saying, "I don't collect the kid," so that's what they follow in the cycle. If they like that thing for to start saying, me, because I gave you a passport. In 10 years, I tell her, say, if you are fighting me with the European Union. You can't do me nothing. You are fighting me, you are fighting the European Union. When I tell her that word, that is clear. Because I'm not European Union passport, the French passport, I'm not free. If you are fighting me, you are fighting the European Union. After I did that, that's so not the one, not the two, not the three. All of them do against me. They tell me they shot away. They tell me they shot away like a kid. They not say, what are you saying? What for them like make me not shout? Make me not shout. You say to some people tell me say how much they pay me for every month.
Okay. My brother, I understand you. May you wait. Hello, my baby. You cannot force a man may marry you. What I go advise you?
I cannot force him. But Mama Yore, I
Yeah.
think all he has to say is because he won't carry me go court those guys. If you want to take me to court, I think
Una not they go court, not talk of court. What I want me will talk now.
Mama Yore, because this man got my nakedness on his phone. He said go show the side they crazy. But then when they discover I'm not crazy, what can you do me reach when naked me? I think you'll be able to explain it,
But brother, we're gonna a picture of nakedness of
this man.
Hold on. We're gonna nakedness a picture of
When this girl come for Italy, this girl say because of say no you see money. Now people have to make it. If I make it go do work, this guy say he won't go back to Italy. He say if I don't let her go, he go job follow window. This guy naked, he won't job follow window.
Now you video on.
Mama, you are dead. I say this girl, if I go.
I don't want to cut me. I'll let you know when I video.
What did they don't do? They go be problem. I'm not cause problem because I don't know how tomorrow will be. Tomorrow comes now, maybe at tomorrow now. Maybe I'm not well, maybe I don't feel like my woman, I don't go show them one type thing. Maybe who all carry picking? That time I still go love.
Okay, maybe what's up, brother? Hello, you hear what your husband talk? Hello, when another phone wait now?
I'm not the Yebini.
You hear what he talk? Say you talk, say if you know, you say you want to go back to Italy, if you not go, you want pass window, now make you naked.
Jesus Christ. Okay. That time I just born. I did 1 week when I born. Me not remember what happened then. Now you come tell me, you say my parents send me I can't do a shower. And that is the worst thing where I go hear the person tell me. Because I've never tried that thing when they talk so. Not talk to my parents again. Not talk to my parents because they did not send me to this. Now my husband take talk say, okay, if my parents they will send me, then my partner, my man, and they tell me say, me I can't use my to do a shower, me I can't give them the money. Now it's like this, if you tell me this word again, I'm going to kill myself because this way they talk na lie. After he don't beat me finish, he can't begin to after I can't find some back. Now he take a info, he can't video me. This case so is so social for France here. What happened for Italy? And this speaking when they drag so when this speaking day 5 months for my belly denier. He talk about public say I carry bastards when I don't know who gets. I wish that speaking never reach. I for abort her. But because I never know that I'm going to stay with such he goes like this. Lawyer, that matter the lawyer tell me for Italy say if he return this word again, then he will show him what it means to say a word like this in Europe. And today he's dragging the child is my own, the child is my own. Because of the money. All the money where they expect this speaking for Italy, ask him where he gave. Plus my own. I assist this man when I come. Go rich now. You want to eat me? What do you want me to do? At the end, you work like a woman to say, I'm enticing you. How can you entice me? If you don't love me, you can't entice me. Because I'm the one who loves you. You just forcing me to stay. Say the truth. It's very clear. Stop allowing me to tell somebody, stop talk to me. I'm married. If you are not ready to be with me, if you don't want me to stay with you, don't allow me to stop somebody for talking to me. I have shown a lot of people because of this man. And yet this is the result.
It's okay.
If he wants to take me to court, let him.
No court. What's me I want, and I make you relax. I will give you prayer points, so you go to see your children for weekends. Okay? You can even sleep there if it's too often. I understand. You can go there on Friday. You come out on Sunday. Okay? Don't worry. Everything will be all right. You hear what I talk? Everything will do okay. Don't worry.
This man knows, say, my family, they want me, say, anything robo. And when I did Nigeria, now these people now avoid pass. But when I enter this place, I still have to say, what is the meaning of that? I have to be. Even when you tell me it's not Roboma, okay, no problem. We'll be together. And now this is just the truth. Like this, like I tell my sister, when you see Roboma, run for 40 because this means that man is face to face. Eh?
He not be Robo, na he na Bini na.
Now Roboma ni be. Which Bini is from Robo.
I don't know.
Okay, say na Bini grow up.
Now tell the for born now. Now his father is not from Bini.
Don't do me one rage. The thing just touched me. I don't even know how I want to settle now. But God will give me solution. Thank God say I get your number, I get your number. If any problem dey, may you they call me, not call social again. Because social and police too. Not call them again. We go settle around. Yeah? May you relax. Not carry this matter tell your family again. Brother, you too. Not tell your family anything. We go settle around. Changes go dey. No disrespect you again. Okay? The problem I wrote here, me private number, me yaru we, my way are line now.
The problem is that as you know here now, social, it as double time social, even if I come back now, they will also with the quarter community they children to stay with us. If I don't want to stay with each other because here where I belong for 6 years I did. If I don't move for a year, I don't lay maximum 6 months or 5 months. They'll take me my whole personal with the answer.
Okay.
If I don't from there, we see to get from the color of our free come up of this city. If we go down to not go down to share again. But now I do that social.
Okay.
They can talk about that social and we'll see this if we change. If we change, we'll get together. But if you not change, I don't think we can.
Until you are now, my sister.
Only one want to take off the kid.
Okay, it's not 12 now. Go take care of her. We know
now. I'm not
now.
for say make up any money. I'm not for anything.
Okay.
I think work. For me, I don't work for person because I don't get documents. I think my son to work. He go to work. He will take off his family. I will take off myself. Take off my family. When you want to say I call the work. Go there, my family. I will work. My money will try to give the family. I will not accept that. I will not accept that. It's not me to do that one. Because it's not me to do that one. That means I have to go to that country and look for document. I cannot go to that country and look for document because document is very difficult. Then anything that want to happen because I cannot I don't know how to keep it. Two of us take off the picking. As husband and wife, the children, and two of us later will take off and you take off. If you go to work and they go my work. Take off yourself, I take off myself. If you carry out the break out for the house, you get your people. I don't mean to take off your family. If your people see me to give them, one thing may not give you. But not the one to say you want to put no let me, you want to collect you from my house, maybe because they work for you, make you get them with you. I will not accept that. If of me to give me children, I give you children to government.
Because of money.
Later, I collect children from government. My mister say me the taker. That's why I can't give you. Because as I tell you now, I get for big house. Because only one now, they give us place now. That place of man of theater, woman of theater. Let me tell you me for them. And that's place me for them now. I wish not be saying or see that again. So you want to cage me for one place. Then you go there for place, maybe 30 costly, 30 not costly for two.
Nobody is getting anybody. You want the children.
I'm not just problem, my own. Not just problem.
Okay.
The problem is, if I don't move for you, if you change, we'll do together. But if you continue with that family problem, for me, I don't think I can carry it. I tell you,
hello, hold on.
If you won't be that, for my own.
Yes.
I tell you, if you won't be that, but I need to settle. I think you won't be that. You go be if you want to won't be that. You go be that for yourself. You go use the king and say be that. All you need. Then if he don't old, maybe like that three get the house. He say we go beat that for papa. When he was the second last born. The first house we want to say we go beat that for papa. If the papa got there, who get there? My senior brother get the house.
Yes.
Now I tell am say, most of do that one. Okay, it's your father who get there and senior brother get there. What highest thing you go fit do? Fit be that your father or mom fit get the house. But the house, the documents of the house go be your name. You let them know say now you get the house. He say na lie. He say na lie. As me tell am make the senior talk for my mother. All my all of them get money, they don't do that for my mother because they know say that na me get the house. They don't say na me get the house. Because if you beat on a family have to go beat. I'm not personally not take off the family. But you go tell me move to this house, you say you won't do that for your papa. If you get money, you fit do that for your papa, not saying not be. But not be your first house you want to salary.
Thank God say you did social hand. Now wetin me and settle two of una for. My sister, go to see your children every weekend first. If you go there, no quarrel, do cleaning, play with your children. If you want to sleep, you sleep. If you don't want to sleep, you go back to your house. See, when una go understand una self well. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll call me tomorrow before 12. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.